do the groups, create groups, adding a person one by one. It's much easier now. First thing we do is go to our full grade center. And you'll see in your full grade center the child class ID. If this column isn't showing, you just need to go to Manage Column Organization and unhide it from yourself. This will tell you the sections that the students are in. The middle two numbers are the section number. Now these may or may not indicate your class period. Depending on the number of sections of a particular course, like say an English 1 course, there may be 20 sections of it. So your code that middle code may be 20 or 21, and of course you don't have 21 periods. So if you want to determine what that code indicates as far as the course number or the course period and you don't know, just look at the email that I sent you with your courses on it. It will give you this course ID and also a description including the period and room that the course is in. But for the purposes of this, we're going to assume that there's only 3 course sections of this course, and I've got all 3, and my 01 is my period 1, the 02 is my period 2, and the 03 is my period 3. So now I'm going to go to Manage, Smart Views. And all I need to do is now create a Smart View, and I'm going to call this period 1. Or period A, or whatever you want it to call it. And I'm going to click Add as a Favorite. This is what allows the Smart View to show right under my full grade center on the left. It will show right here. I'm going to now, instead of using course group as we used in the past, we're not going to create a course group anymore. We're going to use that child class ID. So I hit Custom, and I change the user criteria under 1 to the second one in the list, which is child course ID, and begins with, and all I need to put in is my course number 1820, and then underscore 01, which was exactly the beginning of the course ID that I showed you in that column. And the only other thing I need to do now is change this filter results to show all columns. I'm going to leave this unchecked because we don't want to see hidden columns in a Smart View. And I hit Submit. And now if I go to my period 1, you're going to see just the kids in period 1. I'm going to do one more just to show you quickly. I go to Smart Views, create a Smart View, period 1, or period 2 rather, say Add as a Favorite, change it to Custom, change this to be child course ID, begins with 1820 underscore 02, and I am going to now change this to say all columns, hit Submit, and now you'll see there's a period 2 under here, and period 2 has just the kids with the 02 in the middle. That's the easy way to do Smart Views. You'll do them in 10 minutes and then you can forget about how to do it until next year. The other beauty of doing it this way is that as the year goes on and kids drop and add to your class, they will automatically go into these Smart Views. You no longer will have to add them to the group to get them to show up in your Smart View. Thank you.